Blossoms 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.9 Page number 31-32. Read the sentences given, keep full stops wherever necessary and rewrite them. Raju is a cook. He has a small hotel. Everybody liked food in his hotel. One day he got a big order to cook dinner for a dinner party. Raju got an order to cook for a big dinner party over a phone call. Develop the conversation between the customer and Raju with the help of the clues given below. Raju: Hello, customer, is it Raju's hotel? Raju: Yes, Raju is speaking. Customer: Will you please take an order for a party? Raju: Yes, for which date? Customer: For the next Sunday. Raju: Yes, sure. How many plates? Customer: 500 plates. Raju: Okay, come in the evening and pay the advance. Customer: Okay, thank you. Raju: You are welcome. Write 5 sentences by using the following table. Example: May I use your pencil? First one: May I use your pen? Second one: May I use your eraser? Third one: May I use your slate? Fourth one: May I use your book?